in a pack of 52 cards. In a pack of 52 cards. Okay. Then 1 in a pack of 52 cards. Then 1 for suit, S-U-I-T-S, for suits, spades, heart, club, and diamond. Spade, heart, clubs, and diamond. Having 13 cards each. Having 13 cards each. Having 13 cards each. That means 13 spade, 13 diamond, 13 clubs, okay, 13 hearts. Then each suit has, listen again, in a pack of cards, 52 cards. In a pack of 52 cards, we have first note number 1 for suit, S-U-I-T-S, spade, heart, club, and diamonds, having 13 cards each. 13 cards each. Each suit has 1 ace. Each suit has 1 ace, 1 king, 1 queen, 1 jack, and 9 other cards from 2 to 10. From 2 to 10. Okay, that means 1 ace. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, J, Q, K. Like this, 4. First set, first suit, second, third, 4. Like this. Okay. Then king, queen, and jack are called king, queen, and jack. King, queen, and jack are called king, queen, and jacks are called face cards. Face cards. King, queen, and jack are called face cards. Face cards. Previous one. Each suit has 1 ace, 1 king, 1 queen, 1 jack, and 9 other cards from 2 to 10. 2 to 10. Clear? Okay. Hearts and diamonds are red colored. Hearts and diamonds are red color. Hearts and diamonds are red color. Spade and clubs, black color, black colored cards. Okay. I hope you are familiar of the cards, correct or no? Everyone familiar the cards. Last year also you learned this one, correct or no? Okay. Listen here. Once again, look at here. Today we will finish this chapter, and next week full revision for AP. Okay. Look, Sunday, Tuesday, okay, revisions. Okay, Thursday also. So Thursday after revisions, directly go and sleep. Okay. So Friday nothing to do. Come on. Listen. Total cards how many? Total card is 52. 52 cards. Hey, wait. I'll tell you that. Not to answer now. Total cards 52. 52 cards divided into 4 suits. Which are the suits? Diamond, heart, spade, and club. Each one 13 each. Like this. A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, J, Q, K. That means 4 A there is. 4 2 there is. 4 3 there is. 4 4 there is. 4 J, 4 Q, 4 K there, like that. Okay. Then Queen, king, and jack are called face cards. Why face cards? There is face. Okay. Then other cards 2 to 10. I've missed one 10 here, right? 10. Okay. 10 J, Q, K. 2 to 10 are called number cards. Okay. Joker, no need, Agamir. You're all here now. Joker is not a part of the cards. Jack, not Joker. Joker is not into, it's a part of the cards. Okay. Now, then what? Then what do you learn? Okay, how many king there is? How many king? Okay, how many black king? How many black king? 2. How many red king? Okay. How many ace? 4. How many twos? Okay, I hope you're all okay, right? Clear or no? Anyone have doubt? No doubt. Okay, listen. Wait. I'm going to give once again. Listen, because I have one doubt. I have one question only. After that, your card will be all okay. Okay, listen. Once again, there are 52 cards. 52 cards divides into 4 suit: spade, club, diamond, heart. Okay, each 13 each. This is the order. Okay, this Hindus, Jack, J, Q, K are called face cards. Reason is there is a face. Then ace, how many ace? 4 ace. How many red cards? Diamond and heart are red cards. Club and spade, black cards. The 26 red, 26 black. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to give a question. Okay. After this question, only one question only. Okay. Only one question from this one. I hope you'll be okay. Okay. Ready now? Ready to write? Don't ask it. Don't write in between. Okay. So don't ask any question in between. Only one question from the cards. Ready now? Ready for all? Ready? Hello. Ready or not? Okay. Ready to write. Okay. Question. Okay. One card is drawn. One card is drawn from a. One card is drawn from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. From a pack of 52 cards. From a pack of 52 cards. Okay. One card is drawn. One card is drawn from a pack of, from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting. Find the probability of getting. Find the probability of getting 1. Question number 1. In that, question number 1. A face card. A face card. Clear? Second one. A king. Clear or not? First one, listen. First one, a face card. Second one, a king. Third one, a queen. Third one, a queen. Fourth one, a 10. A 10. A 10. That means how many 10? 4. 4 by 52 like that. Okay. Fifth one, a diamond. Fifth one, a diamond. Sixth one, a red card. Sixth one, a red card. Sixth one, a red card. Seventh one, a 6 of hearts. A 6 of hearts. Seventh one, a 6 of hearts. 8, a jack of spade. A jack of spade. A jack of spade. Just wait. Stop. Fourth one, a doubt. Fourth one, a 10. Ayan. Fourth one, a 10. Here. Fifth one, a diamond. Sixth one, a red card. Seventh one, 6 of hearts. Eighth one, a jack of spade. Third, a queen. Third, a queen. Up here, any doubt? Till 8, question, any doubt? Okay, so now, ninth one, a king of black suit. A king of black suit. A king of A king of black suit. A king of black suit. A king of black suit. 10th one. 10th one. A queen of red suit. 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 11th one, a black face card. A black face card. A black face card. Okay, 12th one. 12th one. Okay, 12th one. Either a king or a queen. Either a king or a queen. Either a king. Either a king or a queen. Either a king or a queen. Okay, listen. From 8th, I'll read again. From 8th, I'm reading again. 8th, a jack of spade. A jack of spade. 9th one, a king of black suit. A king of black suit. 10th one, a queen of red suit. A queen of red suit. 11, a black face card. 11, a black face card. 12th one, either a king or a queen. 12th one, either a king or a queen. Up to here, okay? Up to 12, okay or not? Apurva, why late, Apurva? Okay, now question number 13. 13, neither a king nor a queen. Neither a king nor a queen. Neither a king nor a queen. 14, a non-ace. A non-ace, not non-veg. Okay, non-ace. Okay. Then a red ace. A red ace. A red ace. 16, a picture card. A picture card. A picture card. A picture card. 17, a red card or a jack. A red card or a jack. A red card or a jack. In between, don't ask. A red card or a jack. Okay, a red card or a jack. Okay. 18, neither a red card nor a queen. Neither a red card nor a queen. Okay, 19, a 5 of clubs. A 5 of clubs. A 5 of clubs. Okay, from 10 to 20, 20, try 20. A 9 of red suit. A 9 of red suit. A 9 of red suit. Okay. Listen, anyone have any question to read again? Anyone? 15. 15 is a red ace. 15 is a red ace. 19 is a 5 of clubs. 5 of club. 16 is a picture card. 16 picture card. 13, neither a king nor a queen. Neither a king nor a queen. 14, a non-ace. That means not ace. 18 is neither a red card nor a queen. 19, a 5 of clubs. A 5 of clubs. Clear now? Okay. Continue. 21, a card of spade or an ace. A card of spade or an ace. A card of spade or an ace. 22, neither red card nor a black king. Neither a red card nor a black king. That means not red, not black king. Okay. Other cards. I'll explain again. Okay. Number is what now? Which number what? 23. 22 or 23? Okay, 22. Neither a red card nor a black king. 20. No, that's 22. 23. Neither a queen nor a jack. Neither a queen nor a jack. Okay. 25. Sorry, 24. 24. A spade or a club. A spade or a club. 25, a king, a queen, a jack, or an ace. A king, a queen, a jack, or an ace. 26, 26, 26, ace of hearts. Ace of hearts. Clear now? Ace of hearts. Okay. Clear now? Okay, that's I told you only one question. This is only one question. Okay. Yes, finish. Okay, I'll send you this question in the group so you can check it, recheck it. Okay. All the question already there. Okay, so if you know this question, all the type of cards will be saved. Okay, so now I'll send you in group. Okay, now but you have to explain this one. Abhimanyu, hello Abhimanyu. Okay, I told you many times. In between, don't ask any questions. I'm ready to answer any questions after our. I was reading the question. That time you're asking another question. What is this one, man? That's why I kick you. Not a network issue. See, I'm ready to discuss anything. Okay, not only maths, other subjects, everything in the world. So why are you asking another question now in between? Picture card means, hey, now listen, Hamza. Picture card means face card. That's only. That is to break for a break. Okay, because 25, 26, how many questions? 26 questions. Right? Correct or no? I think it is available in the group now. Check your group. No? Okay, check now. Yes. Okay, it is there. Okay, so now look at here. I think Saya, you got all the questions? My voice problem. Okay. Okay, no problem. Okay, you got the question. How you got the question? Okay, so look at here now. Look at here. Don't start. Wait. Now, this 26 questions you can read. For example, look at here. For example, first one. How to answer it? Hey, wait. How to answer it? First of all, you write total number of cards is 52. Then you write how many face cards? 26. Okay, 26, no problem, man. Maybe I cut. Okay, no problem. You have the question, right? Okay, listen, you write like this. A general note, there are 52 cards. Then start one. Question about face cards. You write, there are 12 face cards. Then write probability like this. Probability of getting face card in bracket. Probability of getting face card equal to 12 by 52. This way you have to answer it. Are you okay or not? Clear now? Hello, listen, all the guys. Vincent. Hello, Vincent. Zara. Okay, listen here. Look at here. How to answer it? How to answer it? First, you write total number of cards 52. Total number of cards equal to 52. Then question number one. There are 12 face cards. You know that 12 face cards. Correct or no? J, Q, K into 4. 12 face cards. Therefore, write P. How to read? Probability of get dot dash. Right here, probability of in bracket getting a face card. Getting a face card. Not getting face cards. No. Getting a face card equal to 12 by 52. Then simplify. You get 3 by 30. Okay. For example, second question. What is the second question? Enumerate. What is the second question? Second question is what? A king. Okay, a king. So then you write, there are 4 kings. Then write probability, then bracket, getting a king. Understood? No, don't write probability of kings. It is wrong. You won't get marks. It's an important thing. Correct or no? It is all singular only. Don't write probability of kings. What do you write? Probability of getting a king. Getting a king, not king kunja. Kunja. Okay, clear now? Okay, now you answer it. We'll discuss after that. Okay, answer it. Take your time. 26 question is there. Clearly, don't copy, don't discuss it. If you know this one, entire cards problem will be solved. Okay. In exam, they won't ask like this, only one question. I just combine all, okay? After 26 question, we'll discuss one by one, okay? Okay. What about diamond? Harvey Diamond? Hello. Leave it, Hamza. Try next question. We'll discuss all together. Okay. If not getting in between, don't stop it. You continue. Then we'll try that all questions. I'll discuss it here. Faraz, this is my very old collection. Okay, maybe my age. It's very old collection, my book. This one. I couldn't find out any other book like this one question. Okay, further progress, then we'll discuss it. Okay. Oh, 10 only reach. Okay, okay. No problem. Take your time. Take your time. No problem. You have enough time. Okay. Okay. Good. Picture card is face card, Sri Lanka. Picture card means face card, same. Okay. 21st, you want to read 21st. Okay, you have the book now with you. Then what's the problem? Okay, I'll read. 20, because I have to follow. This book is very slowly, very old. I have to respect the book. 21st is a red of spade or an ace. Sorry, a card of spade or an ace. That means spade plus ace. Sunday test is AP. Okay. I can include AP and probability, right? Yeah, AP only at a coming test now, Abhimanyu. How can I take then other chapter? You want like that? Because your current topic is AP and probability. Okay, I'll do AP and probability then. Okay, AP and probability. Problem is batch B, Saturday only finish probability. Saturday, 2 classes for them. Okay, anyone missed last class? Hello, anyone missed first class of probability? You can attend Saturday. Saturday 2. Yeah, Saturday you can come at 6:30. Morning 6:30, one show. Evening 4 o'clock, another show. So we'll finish it. Saturday 2 classes for them. So you can join that. Early morning 6:30. Hello, you wake up or not? For us. Okay. Okay, you remind me. You send me a message. Then I'll give the password. Okay. Not 3 o'clock. Okay, scary, no? So speed up. Yes, picture card and face card is same. Picture card and face card is same. Okay, finish. Oh, really? Okay, so finish. Okay, finish or not? Hello, finish. Okay, anyone have, okay, I'll wait. Okay, no problem, I'll wait. You never thought one question like this, right? No? No, only one question, Jonathan. Only one question only come, one or two questions in exam. This one I combine all together, that's only. Okay, to get the idea of this card. Okay, finish. Everyone finish. That's how we'll discuss it. Okay. Hello. Oh, 2 minutes. Okay, take it. Take your time. Come on. Oh, we finished 35 minutes over one question. Okay. Okay, finish. Okay, now listen here now. Hello. Okay, now Aganshi. What is the first question? Answer. Don't just answer. You answer like this. A number of face cards so and so. Probability of getting face cards so and so like that. Aganshi. Okay, answer 12 by. Not your name is Agashi, right? Okay, not N. Okay. 12 by 52, 3 by 13. Are you okay all? 3 by 13. Okay. Vincent. Second one. Vincent. Second one. Hello, Vincent. Come on fast. Second one. He's not there. Then Adya. Adya. Hello, Adya. How many kings? Answer it. How many kings? Speed up. How many king? Oh my God. You are going to count the king. Hello, 4. Then answer what? Adya searching the Middle East. How many king? Kuwait, Bahrain, Saudi, UAE. Okay, Oman. So 5 king, sir. Right? Okay. 4 king, 4 by 13. Okay, Vincent now online, right? Vincent, third answer what he got? Third, how many queen? Hello, Vincent. Okay, 4. Then answer what? 4 by 52. Correct or no? 4 by 52, 1 by 13. Next one, Hamza. 52, total 52. Hey, Zara, total 52. Hey, why is Sarah like 51? 13 into 4. No, who removed? No, I didn't remove anything. No, from the 52 cards, not removed. That is you are dreaming. That is the next question. Okay, Zara, that is next question. I'm going to ask like that. Here, from the 52 cards. Okay. Okay, now Hamza. How many 10 cards? How many 10 cards? Speed up, you have to finish it. Oh, come on. How many 10 cards? 10, how many? Can you answer, Asta? How many 10 cards? Yeah, okay, 4 by 52. Okay, correct. Okay. Then next one, Asta. Diamond. How many diamond? Asta, speed up. Asta. How many diamond? Next is Maria. Okay. So ready for that. 13 by 52. Maria. Next one. Red cards. How many red cards? After that, Alia. Okay. Red card is 26 by 52. Then Alia. 6 of hearts. 6 of hearts. 6 of hearts. After that, Ushasi. 13th, 8th, Ushasi answer it. Alia, where is Alia? Maria, where is Alia, your friend? Okay, answer then who all? Niharika. Niharika. 8th one, answer it. 8th one. Ushasi answer. Niharika 1 by 52. Okay. 9th one. 9th one, who will answer it? Okay. Abhimanyu. 9th one, Abhimanyu. King of black suit. King of black suit. Of king of black king, right? Okay. A king of black suit, right? How many? 2 by 52. Final answer 1 by 26. Two black king, correct or no? Okay. Next one, 10th one. Getting a queen red suit. A queen red suit. Ganja. Hello, Ganja. How many red? 2 by 52. Okay. Next, guys. Abhay. Abhay. Black face card. Abhay. Black face card. Yes, I don't need to answer. Yes, sir. You just answer it. Black. How many black face cards? 6. 6 by 6. Hey, don't answer it. 6 by 52, right? Abhay. Okay, no? Total 12 face cards. 6 red face card, 6 black face cards. So 6 by 52. Then Arjun. Arjun getting king or queen. Hello, Arjun. King or queen. Arjun मौजूद. Hey, माफी Arjun. Arjun किधर गया? Arjun passport again. Okay, Arjun मौजूद. Okay, then who will answer it? Okay, Akshara. Akshara मौजूद. Where is this guy? Akshara मौजूद. Okay, Akshara. 8 by 52. 2 by 30. Okay, then Gidu. Next, Gidu. Getting neither king nor a queen. Neither king nor a queen. Arjun मौजूद. Okay. Gidu. Not king, not queen. What is that? 44 by 52. Are you okay now? 44 by 52. Because how many king? 8. Sorry, how many king? 4. How many king? 4. 4 for 8. 8 removed. So balance is 44. Next, Jonathan not there. Okay, and then who? Abida. Abida. 14th Abida. Non-ace. Abida. Hello, Abida. I'll give you next chance then. Okay. -4. Yes. 48 by 52, right? 48 by 52. That means 12 by 30. Okay. Saudi. Saudi. But getting a red ace. Getting a red ace. getting a red ace. Sorry, not there. Getting a red ace. Sarnesh, I asked Swati. Swati, hey, Mawjood. Oh, 2 by 52, 1 by 26. Okay. Sreya, next Sreya, then another Bhavan Sreya after that. Okay. 16. Picture card. Picture card. Picture card. Sreya Pradeep. Okay. 3 by 13. Okay. Next Bhavan Sreya. Getting a red card or a jack. Getting a red card or a jack. Next Sreya. Come on. First, others will give another chance to others. Okay, Agamir. Agamir, come on fast. Getting a red card or a jack. How much? How many red cards? How many red cards? Yes, totally 7 by 13. Good. Okay, then Bonida. What is the name? Bonida or Bonia? Bonita. Okay. Bonita. Okay, Bonita. Okay. Okay, Bonita. Question number. Which number this one? 18. 18. Getting neither red card nor a queen. Getting neither red nor a queen. That means not red nor queen. How much? Neither red card nor a queen. What's the answer? Hey, come on, Bonita. Or okay, 6 by 13. Correct or no? 6 by 13. 6 by 13. Next is Gauri, 19. And getting a 5 of clubs. Getting a 5 of club. Getting a 5 of club. Getting a 5 of club. Gauri not there. Where Gauri gone? Where she's waiting? Where? No one waiting here. Avina Abida, she's waiting. We're waiting. Nobody's waiting. Who told you, Abida, she's waiting? No. Tell her to come. It's not. Nobody's waiting here. Come on. Okay. Nobody's waiting here. See, already there 69 is there. Okay. Okay, next question. Okay, 5 club is 1 by 52. Next, 20. 20, who will answer it? Adira. Hello, Adira. Adira. 20. Getting a 9 of red suit. Adira. 9 of red suit. 2 by 52, 1 by 26. Okay, next. 21. 21, who will answer it? 21. Akshay. 21. Akshay. Getting a card of spade or an ace. A spade or an ace. Spade or an ace. 21. Spade or an ace. How much? How many spade? Akshay, come on, Akshay. 13 spade and ace how much? 13 plus what? 13 plus 3. Correct or no? 13 plus 3. Why? One ace only there. Very good answer, Akshay. Okay. Clear or no? See, Akshay answer 13 plus 3. Correct or no? Because one ace is only there in spade. Okay. Are you okay? Everyone okay now? Alia didn't answer it. Maria, you got or not? Agamir, Abida. This is Akshay answer. Okay, next 22. 22, who will answer it? I didn't understand Saudi. Saudi didn't understand 21. Question is getting a card of spade or an ace. Okay, actually, spade how many? Spade 13, correct or no? Okay, how many ace? 4. So 13 plus 4, how much? 17. But here 16 only. Why? Because one ace in spade. One included in spade. Samjha? Ah, okay, okay, clear. Okay. So next, 22, Fira. 22, Fira. Okay, Fira is hiding. Okay. Hello, where is Fira? Okay. 22. What the question? Getting neither red card nor a black king. Neither red nor black. 6 by 13. Correct or not? Because neither red card. Neither red card means 26. 26 red plus black. 2 there is. 1 minus 28. 28 by 50. Okay. Next one. Hira. Getting neither a queen or a jack. Okay. Neither queen or a jack. So that means how many queen? 4. How many jack? 4. Removed. 8 removed. That means 44 by 30. 44 by 52. Are you okay, Hira? Come on, Hira. Okay, next one, Farhana. Farhana, getting a spade or a club. Or friend is coming. Getting a spade or a club. Getting a spade or a club. Farhana, getting a spade or a club. Farhana, come on. Getting a spade or club. How many spade? Farhana, hello. Where's she? Farhana Mawjood. Farhana Muhammad Said Siyad. Okay. Hello. Not there. If not answering, I'll remove it from the group. Ah, okay. How many spade? How many spade? Are you familiar with the cards, right? Spade, how many? 13. Club, how many? 13. So 13 plus 13, 26. 26 by 52, 1 by 2. Are you okay? You are familiar with the cards, right? You familiar or not? Okay, so then okay. Last one, Faraz. Hello, last one, Faraz. Come on, finish it. No, 2 more. Faraz. Getting king, queen, a jack, or an ace. Yes, 4 by 13. Then last guy, anyone can lottery, anyone can answer it. 26, getting an ace of heart. Getting an ace of heart. Then 1 by 52, correct or no? Who all got 26 question correct? Total correct, who all? Okay, good. Okay, so that means you are familiar now the cards. Okay, now come on. 1 hour, 10 minutes for one question. I hope now, okay, all cards, you can answer it now, right? 25th Chaitanya. Oh, Chaitanya, you didn't get any answer. 25th answer is, anyone read 25th answer? Read anyone? I think 1 by 2, correct? No. 4 by 13, 4 by 13. 4 by 13. Okay, now, is it okay now? This is clear now. I think you can, if you're okay, this all type of question answer. Okay. Okay, next question, right? Next question. This is a question Zara answer it. Okay, right. The king, queen, and jack of clubs are removed. Right. Now you can answer any type of, if you know this question, you can answer any type of cards. Right. The king, queen, and jack of clubs are removed. The king, okay, the king, queen, jack of clubs are removed. Okay. The king, who is one? Another one guy. One guy name is new guy is waiting for our group. Who this one? Ambli. Who this one? Come on, you know anyone? Anyone names? Pet name is Ambli. Why he is coming with this name? I don't know. I want to know. Okay. Okay. Let him change the name, and why is he coming with another name? Okay. I don't know. Okay. Listen. Years back, listen. I tell you one thing happened. Years back, I was the election agent. One of the election. Hello, election agent. That means election agent will sit in the election booth. Okay. So those who are coming, the opposite parties, the presiding officer will ask, you know this guy. Then both parties or three parties will say, okay, this guy is, we know this guy. Then only he allow it. Okay. Clear or no? Then my uncle came for the voting. Okay. My mother's brother. Okay. Then I know he is opposite our party. His name was very familiar here now. His name was PM Hamza. His name, correct name is PM Hamza. But in the election report card, name is Hamza PM. Like that. Okay. Then presiding asked me, you know this person? Then I said, no, I don't know this person about it. Then he couldn't vote for that election. He got very angry. Around 1 year, he didn't talk to me. Okay. Like that, this guy, I don't know. Okay. So because I know he will vote against our party. So that's why I said, I don't have any idea about this guy. Okay, so now come to the question. The king, queen, and jack. The king, queen, and jack. The king, queen, and jack of clubs are removed. Gauri now joined. See, Gauri. Hello, Gauri. Where are you up till 5:30? Gauri. So one important class today. So you missed that one. Okay, right now the king, queen, jack of clubs are removed from a deck of 52 playing cards. From a deck of 52 playing cards and well shuffled. That means the king, queen, and jack of clubs. Jack of clubs are removed. Okay, one card is selected. One card is selected. One card is selected from the remaining cards. One card is selected from the remaining cards. Find question number 1. Don't worry, only 4 questions. A heart. Question number 1, a heart. 2, a king. A king. 3, a club. 3, a club. 4, 10 of hearts. 10 of hearts. 10 of hearts. Okay, once again, the king, once again, the king, queen, and jack of clubs are removed from a deck of 52 playing cards and well shuffled. One card is selected from the remaining cards. Okay, find the probability of getting 1, a heart, 2, a king, 3, a club, 4, 10 of hearts. Okay, what would this do? Total how many cards? Hey, somebody answer. Say, Vincent, I couldn't read the question. How can king be taken out from this? Yeah, removed from the cards. They removed. We can remove manually. They removed. Vincent, 3 cards manually removed. Okay. The clubs, Vincent, you understood now? Hello, manually 3 cards removed. So balance how many? 49 cards. Balance 49. Okay. Now one question. A heart. How many? Heart, how many then? 13. 13 by 49. 13 by 49. Vincent, clear or not? Come on, clear or not? Okay. Then first question, a heart. 13 heart there is. 13 by 49. Then next one, a king. How many king here? Balance 3. 3 by 49. A club. A club. How many? From the club only 3 removed. So balance how much? 10. 10 by 49. 10 of hearts. 10 of hearts. 10 of hearts. 1 by 49. Okay, clear now? Okay, next one, right? Is it okay now? Now finish. Oh my God, not finishing. Okay, right. Okay, so next one. Okay, next one, star question. Find the probability that a leap year selected at random, Find the probability that a leap year selected at random, selected at random will contain 53 Sundays. Will contain 53 Sundays. Will contain 53 Sundays. Look at here. Question. Find the probability that a leap year selected at random. A leap year selected at random will contain 53 Sundays. Okay. Start question. Question clear or not? Niharika. Question clear? Are you familiar with this question? Last year we did, right or not? Okay. Anyway, I'll explain this year also. Okay. Come on. Look at here. A leap year, how many days? Yes, a leap year, how many days? 366 days, right or no? Hello, hey, wait. Hey, don't type now. I'll explain after that. You can type. A leap year contains 366 days. Correct? Okay. So how many weeks? 52 weeks. Right or 52 weeks plus 2 days. Correct or no? 52 weeks plus 2 days. The balance 2 days. Only problem. Balance 2 days. The first chance may be Sunday, Monday. First day Sunday, next day Monday, or Monday, Tuesday, or Tuesday, Wednesday, or Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, so how many chances? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chances there is. Our question is 53 Sundays. Okay, so that means if it comes this option or this options, we get 53 Sundays. Agree or not? Right? If we get first option or last option, then only 53 Sundays. Correct? So what is the answer? 2 by 7. New guys, hello. Those who not studied last year, guys, understood or not? Once again, in a leap year, there are 366 days. 366 days means 52 weeks plus 2 days. 52 weeks, sure Sunday there is. Sure, 52 weeks, 52 Sunday there is, 52 Monday there is, 52 Tuesday there is. That is sure. Okay. Remaining 2 days can be first option, maybe first day, balance 2 days there is. Sunday or Monday. Finish. Or Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Sunday. In this, here and here only chances for 53 Sundays. That means probability of getting 53 Sunday is what? 2 by 7. Okay, right now. Right. In a leap year, there are 366 days. In a leap year, there are 366 days. In a leap year, there are 366 days. Then 366 days equal to 52 weeks and 2 days. 52 days and 52 weeks and 2 days. Okay. Thus, a leap year has always 52 Sundays. A leap year has always 52 Sundays. Clear now? Once again, In a leap year, there are 366 days. That is 52 weeks plus 2 days. So, in a leap year, there are 52 Sundays. Remaining 2 days can be, write this one. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday till Sunday. So answer what? Then you mark it here Sunday, here also Sunday. So 2 by 7. Therefore, probability of getting 53 Sunday is 2 by 7. Same answer if it's a Monday also 2 by 7. Okay. Okay, now one question. Clear now? Hira, Priscilla. Oh, Priscilla didn't answer the cards. Priscilla, Maher, Saya, Pramod, Roshni, Yuvasri, Kavri, Dilna. Okay, so this is clear now. Okay, my next question, listen, next question. What is the probability that a leap year selected at random will contain exactly 52 Sundays? What is the probability that a leap year contains exactly 52 Sundays? No chance for 53 Sundays. That means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chances. Correct or no? 5 chances. Dilna, clear the question. Dilna, listen. What is the probability that a leap year contains exactly 52 Sunday? No chances to 53 Sunday. That means chance 1, chance 2, chance 3, chance 4, chance 5. That means what? 5 by 7. Clear or not? Dilna. Hello, Dilna, come on. Hello. Okay. So next one, right? Next one. And okay, what is the probability that an ordinary year? What is the probability that? What is the probability that? What is the probability that an ordinary year contains 53 Sundays? An ordinary year contains 53 Sundays. An ordinary year contains 53 Sundays. Okay, ordinary year, how many days? 365. 365 means, hello, 365 days means 53 weeks plus 1 day extra. Correct or no? 365 days means 52 weeks plus 1 day. That 1 day can be this one. Maybe Sunday, Tuesday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Sunday, Friday, Sunday. What are the chances? Only 1. Correct or no? 1 by 7. Hamza, the new guys. Zara. Because last year we did this question. Zara, okay? Richard. Okay. So now one more question, this one. What is the probability that an ordinary year exactly 52 Sundays? An ordinary year exactly 52 Sundays. Now 53. How many? 6 by 7. Correct or no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 by 7. Okay. So this is chances. Okay. Okay. Now. Okay. DPS guys, reader questions you have to check it. Okay. Reader very cheaper questions. Okay, you can check it. Clear now? Okay. So next question, right? Cards marks with cards. Next question. Cards marked with the numbers, cards marked with the numbers 22101, 22101. Cards marked with the 22101 are placed in a box, and mixed thoroughly. Are placed in a box and mixed thoroughly. One card is drawn from this box. One card is drawn from this box. Find the probability that the number on the card is 1, an even number. 2, a number less than 14. 3, a number which is a perfect square. 4, a prime number less than 20. A prime number less than 20. Okay. Question again. Cards, listen. Cards marks with the numbers 22101. So first card number is 2. Next is 3. Next is 4. Last one 101. One card is selected at random. First question, an even number. Second, number less than 14. Third, a number which is a perfect square. A prime number less than 20. Okay. How many cards will be here? 99? Sure? Niharika? You made a big mistake. Maria, how many cards? Okay. Yes. Look at here. Niharika, don't select like, see, here 2, 3, etc. 101. Okay. We can take help of AP. Come on, AP. AN equal to 101. 2 plus n minus 1 into D is 1 equal to 101. N minus 1 equal to 99. N equal to 100. Okay. AP will help you, Niharika. Right? Niharika understood? Take the help from AP. Okay. Come on, AN equal to 101. Okay, now we got number of cards is 100. First question, even number. Okay, even number. Don't take a risk. Again, come on, AP. 2, 4, etc. 100. Okay, so AN equal to 100. 2 plus n minus 1 into 1 equal to 100. N minus 1 equal to 98. Okay. N equal to 99, right? No, wrong. AP, wrong. How many? 50 only, right? Oh, okay. Here 2. Okay, I made a mistake. Okay. N minus 1 into 2 equal to 98. So n minus 1 equal to 49, n equal to 50. Okay. Our confidence, that's it. Okay. Okay, it's 50. So first answer what? 50 divided by 100, 1 by 2. Correct or no? Okay, a number less than 14. Which are the number less than 14? And here may be chance to make mistakes. A number less than 14. Which are the numbers? 2, not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Hey, 11, right? No? 11, yes. 11, 12 by 30, 12 by 100. 12 by 100. Are you okay? Yes. ICSK guy where? Jerome. Where is this guy? Not Jerome Majud. Okay. Then next is what? Next is what? Question is a perfect square. Which are the perfect squares? Which are the perfect squares? Here, 4, okay. You can count 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, then 64, then 81, 81 and 100. So 9 by 100. Okay. Next, last one. A prime number less than 20. Prime number less than 20. Which are the numbers? Prime number less than 20. Come on. Which are the numbers? Prime number less than 20. 2. Okay. Start from 2. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Okay. Right first. No, 8. 8, right? 8 by 100. Okay. Okay, clear now? Okay. So now need to list Abhimanyu. Now need to list like this. Right? Abhimanyu back. You got disconnect, right? Abhimanyu, you're here. Come on. Your friend said you change the name and came. That's you. Okay. Your good friend saying you change the name. Okay. So next question, right? A bag contains 12. A bag contains 12 balls, out of which X are white. A bag contains 12 balls. A bag contains 12 balls, out of which X are white. Out of which X are white. That one. One ball is drawn at random. One ball is drawn at random. One ball is drawn at random. What is the probability that it will be a white ball? What will be the probability that it will be a white ball? Second one. If 6 more white balls are added in the bag, if 6 more white balls are added, if 6 more white balls are added in the bag, if 6 more white balls are added in the bag, find the probability of drawing a white ball. Sorry, if 6 more white balls are added in the bag, the probability of drawing the white ball will be double that of 1. Double that of 1 means double that of first question. Double that of first question. Find X. Find X. Okay, I'll read. Oh, you got the answer already. Okay, yes. Adira not waiting. Oh, Adira. Okay. Why these guys waiting, guys? I told you, no, waiting, guys. Why can't you send me a message? Okay, listen here. When you're waiting, send a message. Okay. I'll send you the video today because many guys got disconnection and all. Okay. Question here. Hello. A bag contains 12 balls. A bag contains 12 balls, out of which X are white. Question number one ball is drawn at random. What is the probability of getting a white ball? So what? Clean X by 12 answer. Because total number of balls is 12, out of which X white. So X by 12. Second question, 6 more white added. 6 more white added. 6 more white added. 6 more white added. The probability of drawing a white ball. The probability of drawing a white ball will be double that of 1. Double that of 1 means double that of first answer. Okay, 6 more white added means total how much white? X plus 6. X plus 6 by 18. Correct or no? Hello. Listen. Hello, listen here. Originally, Originally, total number of balls is 12. In that, X white. Okay. Now 6 white added. So total white is 6 plus X. 6 plus X divided by total is 18. That is equal to 2 times the previous one. Answer. 2 into X by 12. 2 into X by 12 cancel. 6 equal to, correct or no? No, this is 18. Sorry. Listen, not 12. Listen. X plus 6 by 18 equal to 2x divided by 12. So solving, we'll get x equal to 3. X equal to 3. Ganja. X equal to 3. Okay. So this enough. So I'll do some more question. We have time because 3 days will be very boring AP. Okay. Some more question balance there is. I hope you're okay now with the cards. Correct? Cards, no doubt. Yeah, I'll send the link. Okay. Then Saturday test is AP plus probability. AP plus probability.